Hey guys, I'm off to Langley to pick up my transmission. I found one that's been rebuilt a few years ago, and it's within my budget, so we're off to get it. Got the tranny, we're on our way home. Yay. Here's a nice picture of it. Looks so pretty, eh? Anyway, it'll look better once it's in the car. There we go. Pretty much everything is done. Fluids are level. Next, take it for a test drive. So we can play with this afterwards. That's a future project. Our test drive didn't go as good as I thought it would. The transmission doesn't want to shift into third gear. We'll have to do some testing. That'll be another video.